If this storm doesn't start making its turn soon, I'm gonna be in a lot of trouble. This is the before of my tree. That's what Ian left. That's why you can see the sky. The raccoon babies are up there, or they're inside their home. Their home's right up in here. Raccoon babies, where are you? You need to get down low. Okay. Bamboo, protect us from that oak. I think I'm over 300 miles away. The outer edge is quickly approaching. I'm gonna go take a look at the river before I camp. Here's Polly. She's inside for the duration. And Bambi just won't stop messing with her. She doesn't appreciate that, Bambi. She doesn't appreciate that at all. I don't see any evidence of a turn. And that eye, as the crow flies, is directly in line with where I live. Hurricanes make you do strange things. There was an eyeshadow palette here and there was only one left, and I need to make sure that I get it because for some reason I think that I'm going to be making videos while I can't do anything else. I don't know why I was embarrassed. Man in front of me was buying 2 candy bars. Man behind me was buying a gallon of milk. You don't buy milk. Which I guess he was wondering why I was buying makeup. So, you know, hurricanes make you do strange things. I think it's because reality sets in and you realize that you may not have this opportunity or convenience. I guess the same could be said for the fact that I got dressed up as if I were going out somewhere. But I'm not going to let Helene be better dressed than me. And I'm going to go see if there's a hash brown so I can make a hash brown happy. Oh. It looks decidedly closed. Like there's a hurricane coming or something. We're gonna pull into the parking lot just to see. I mean, it could be open and just all the cars are invisible. We'll peer in the windows. Maybe they don't have the people standing outside because, you know, there's a hurricane and stuff. This isn't Waffle House. I don't think I'm gonna be making a hash brown happy. Hey, we'll go see if we can make a taco happy. Tacos make people happy. Tacos can make me happy. You know, back in the ancient days, there's a soccer ball. There's no way that the ancient people wouldn't know that something was about to happen. There's just no way. Because you could see all the sign this morning. You could feel it, you could hear it, you could smell it. Oh boy, man, there's already street water, and we haven't even started yet. Okay, this is pointed due west. Where the big opening, if you're looking at the radar, where the big opening between the feeder band that is covering parts of the state of Florida and the main body of the storm. I'm looking to see if Ace Hardware, oh man, they're not open. I was gonna get a couple bags of dirt, potting soil to put at my front door, because I have missed the opportunity to get sandbags. I really don't like the way this feels. Something feels off. And I don't see a line of evacuees, which is really scary. They've upped it to 9 feet of water. And 9 feet of water this town has never, ever, ever gone through in recorded history. And we're already at street flooding. We're gonna go down and look at the river, see where it's at. Okay, this is pointing due north. You can see that the clouds are headed west. There was no line of traffic to the island. To the left of me is mostly evacuation zones A and B. And depending where you live in through here, because there's water. It's Florida. There's water everywhere. And overbuilding has created less space for that water to go to naturally. Anyone know where Jim Cantori is? This is pointed east. And I am going to a place called Shaw's Point. If you grew up when I did. And Bishop Point, as it is known now. Okay, this is the approach. Headed north. Going to the Manatee River, where it meets Tampa Bay, the south end of Tampa Bay. It's a very large opening. All of this is evacuation, mandatory evacuation right now. If this area were to get 8 feet of water, it would be to where that tree meets the crook. This is just at sea level. And these homes are not elevated. There's lots of people coming to check out what's going on down here. Holy cow. Oh wow, it's already underwater. This is where I film the majority of my videos. Oh my. We're in deep trouble, Manatee County, and if you don't realize that, you need to get yourself in action. This isn't anything to play with if we're already underwater here. I'm beyond words. This is the seawall at the Manatee River, and this is with the wind blowing towards the ocean. This is not with the wind coming onshore. If you live near the Manatee River, you need to get out now. Behind me is looking at the city of Bradenton and Palmetto with an offshore wind. Offshore wind. The Manatee River is already at its banks with an offshore wind. You need to get out now.